Hello everyone, I am Daniel San. This series of videos are for children who are learning English. It is very helpful for every child because it can lay a good foundation for your pronunciation. Therefore, you are welcome to read along with my series and don't forget to subscribe and like my videos. Enjoy. First Little Readers, What is for Supper? By Deborah Schecter. I like pasta. I like pasta. I like pizza. I like pizza. I like tacos. I like tacos. I like grilled cheese. I like grilled cheese. I like fish sticks. I like fish sticks. I like rice and beans. I like rice and beans. I like to eat. I like to eat.